In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste from a website using Google Chrome. This fundamental skill is incredibly useful whether you're gathering information for a project, sharing an interesting article with friends, or simply organizing your notes. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you have a seamless experience. First, let's open up Google Chrome and navigate to the website from which you want to copy text. You might have the website link handy, or perhaps you're navigating from a search result. Once you've landed on the web page, take a moment to locate the specific text you want to copy. This could be a sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple sections of text. Now that you've identified the text, use your mouse to highlight it. Click and hold down the left mouse button at the beginning of the text, then drag the cursor to the end of the section you want to copy. Release the mouse button, and you'll see that the text is now highlighted, often appearing in a different color to indicate selection. With the text highlighted, the next step is to right-click on the highlighted area. Right-clicking can be done with a simple tap on the right side of your mouse, or if you're using a laptop with a trackpad, a two-finger click often does the trick. Doing this brings up a context menu with several options. From the context menu, you'll want to select the option that says Copy. Clicking Copy tells your computer to store this selected text temporarily so you can move it to another destination. This handy feature allows you to transfer information seamlessly without any need to manually rewrite the text. The next step involves deciding where you want to paste the copied text. Common destinations include a document, such as in a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, an email you're preparing, or even a note-taking application. Navigate to the place where you want the text to appear. Once you've arrived at your chosen destination, position your cursor by clicking where you want the copied text to go. Right-click again in that area to bring up another context menu. This time, select Paste. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl+V on a Windows PC or Command+V on a Mac, which performs the same action. And there you have it. The text has been successfully copied from the web page and pasted into your desired location. Mastering this simple process can significantly increase your productivity and help you manage information more efficiently. Whether it's for work, study, or leisure, knowing how to effectively copy and paste will save you time and effort. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you feel more confident with this essential computer skill.